Hello and welcome to muazo.co.uk. I hope you are having a fantastic day, week, month. My name is Nitin, this is muazo.co.uk, and today I am talking about or giving you a quick introduction, tutorial, review, call it whatever you want, to two products that I've been trying for a while now. One is V76 by Vaughn Hair and Scalp Tonic, and the other V76 by Vaughn Moulding Paste. Now we're going to focus primarily on how to apply and style with the tonic, the hair tonic. Hair tonics or pre-stylers kind of fall into the same category, but I would say that scalp nourishment and hair nourishment, that's what tonic would do. Scalp protection, nourishment, hair protection, nourishment, and styling. I'm going to show you how I styled my hair today. Slightly casual, neat style, I would call it, with both the tonic and the moulding paste. Let's check out how I did this. So as you can see, my hair is not styled, has no product in it. It's been washed and conditioned. It's been naturally drying at the moment, still a little bit damp. And now I'm going to give it a couple of sprays of the V76 by Vaughn Hair and Scalp Tonic. It's got tea tree, juniper oil. The whole idea is to refresh your hair, is to revitalize it, is to nourish the scalp, and you know, with tea tree oil, tea tree is known as a natural antiseptic. So essentially what we're doing is we're cleansing the hair, cleansing the scalp, applying some protection and some nourishment, especially before hair drying. So this is what I'm going to do. Simple. A couple of squirts of this in the hair and then style it. So glasses off, give it a good shake, and off we go. Don't go too overboard. You have to find out what your level is because every hair type will differ. I'm now just going to work it through the hair. I could use a comb, you could use a comb, feel free. Use your favorite comb. Get that through the hair. Yeah. Okay, so I'm happy with that. That's now through the hair, and what I'm going to do now is cold to medium heat. Just dry it into the style that you want. My style, I'm going to create volume with it. That's perfect territory for the V76 Hair and Scalp Tonic. Really good at creating volume, especially if you have thin hair. So and there you go. I mean, it's basically done. I could just keep it like this. You can see the volume, see the control, but say you've got a hot date, a meeting, or you just want that little bit more control. What I am going to do is apply V76 moulding paste. Again, like all V76 products, it's not tested on animals, it's paraben free, sulfate free, all that kind of wonderful stuff. This one, the moulding paste provides high hold, high to medium shine depending on your hair type. In black hair, obviously it's going to come a bit more shiny. It goes on creamy, and it is basically creamy. Look at that, it's just creamy. It's great. It smells nice, has that wonderful blue cedar scent that V76 are very much fond of. And let's apply this. Simple. In the hair, didn't take much. Get it all nice and tacky. Work in the back like we always do. Going from the front, going to the sides. Bam, bam, bam. And you can feel it already kind of gripping, creating style. Oh, I think that was Nimbus out the door. You want some attention. I'm just gonna kind of really apply it, get it into the hair. Go for it. There you go. Obviously I can play around with it a little bit more, but I am really very pleased with that. All day flexible hold, medium to high shine depending on your hair type. We've got the hair and scalp tonic that you can use by itself, or you can top up with your chosen hair product. So the purpose of the hair tonic, let's not forget, nourish the scalp, provide a protective barrier. You need something that will protect your hair when styling, or nourish your scalp and hair on the days off. So I always apply this when I've washed my hair but I don't want to apply product to it. Essentially it's a day off, so a couple of squirts in the hair, style it or let it dry naturally, and essentially you've got a protective barrier and your hair is nourished, your scalp is nourished. That is V76 hair and scalp tonic, packed full of tea tree and juniper oil. All the details are below. Hit subscribe. If you aren't subscribed, come on, hit subscribe. You've got nothing to lose. We've got loads more videos coming out, probably twice a week. And if you are subscribed and you are watching this, thank you very much. Thank you for taking the time to subscribe and support the channel. I hope you have a fantastic week, or you are having a fantastic week, and that week continues. Comments below. Follow us on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. I'll see you again. Bye bye.